I just want to show you how this Merlin app works in identifying birds using the sound. If you haven't got this Merlin app, get it. So right now you can hear all the birds in the background. This app will tell me what birds are in the area. So you just go to identify and then hit record sound. And then it's going to start telling me what birds it identifies in the area. It's a blackbirdian. So it highlights as it hears it over and over. So then you can start to tune your ears. A robin, yep. And you can scroll up and down. That blackbirdian is my favorite. So it keeps highlighting. Oh, I heard a least flycatcher. Red-eyed vireo, that's the bird of the day. This is a beautiful time of year. Then you can, oh, I wanted to pick up that flycatcher. There it is. Tennessee warbler. Chestnut-sided was a recent migrated in yesterday. Is the first time I heard it. Anyway, that's how this works. Get the app and start learning these bird sounds, because it makes it really special. Even if you don't chase birds, even if you don't take pictures, knowing what's in the area, being aware of their sounds, enjoying them at a different level, not just hearing birds in a general way, but knowing the individual birds, is you can't beat that. Enjoy.